How to fix login error in Eurostar application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if there's any other kinds of issues while you're logging into your account, you can simply go to your settings, tap on General, and tap on iPhone storage. Scroll down and navigate yourself to the Eurostar application over here. Tap on Show All and it will show all the applications on your device. Tap on Eurostar over here and simply tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App again and reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application while keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection or your login. However, if some problem comes up, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.